Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to buy stars on Telegram. You'll be able to buy Telegram stars. It's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So let's get started. The first step you have to take is to open up your Telegram app. As you can see here, I'm on my Telegram app. So what I'm going to do next is to tap on the menu icon on the left hand side. You can see it right there at the top. So let me tap on it real quick. Then the next step now is to tap on where you can see settings. So let me tap on settings. Then what you have to do next is to scroll downwards. So let me quickly scroll downwards. Let me scroll down. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see my stars. You can see it right there. So let me tap on my stars. Right here, you can see what's written here: Telegram stars, buy stars to unlock content and services in mini app on Telegram. So guys, as you can see there, my Telegram star balance is 1. So I have just 1 Telegram stars. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be buying 100 Telegram stars. So let's get to see how it's going to be done. So what you have to do next is to tap on where you can see buy more stars. You can see it right there. So let me tap on buy more stars. Then right here is the next step. It says choose pack. So you can choose the pack that you want. You can see the first one right there, 100 stars. You can see the second one, 250 stars. Let me tap on more option. Let me tap on it. You can see there are so many packages right there, 1000 stars up to 10,000 stars. You can see the amount you're going to be paying for in your local currency. So if I'm getting 100 stars, I'm going to be paying 3,699 naira. So let me tap on 100 stars to proceed with this process. Let me tap on it. Right here is the next step. You can see what's written there, 100 Telegram stars. You can see the total amount I'm going to be paying. And also you can see my payment method. I've added my payment method. I've actually linked my credit or debit card. You can see it right there, MasterCard. So if you have not added your credit card or your debit card details right here, you'll be asked to do that. You see a button written add. So you have to add your credit card details. You have to add your ATM card number, which is the 12 digits in front of your ATM card. You're going to add the expiry date of the ATM card and also the security code, which is also called the CCV number. So guys, you have to input all of that. Then once you've done that, they'll be able to proceed. So guys, you can see I've already linked my credit card, my debit card right there. I've linked my MasterCard. You can see it right there, MasterCard. That's my ATM card. So what I'm going to do right away is to tap on buy. So let me tap on buy right away. So guys, now you can see it's processing. Wow guys, can see payment successful. So I've been able now to pay for the 100 Telegram stars. You can see 100 Telegram stars. You can see now, you can see my Telegram balance. You can see my Telegram star balance now. It is now 101. Remember, it used to be 1, but it is now 101 Telegram stars. So guys can see down there, in-app purchase. I purchased 100 stars just now. You can see the date and time just now. You can see it right there, 100 stars. So guys, now this I can be able to buy Telegram stars on your Telegram account, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. So guys, see you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.